I want to introduce this Lego pull toy. You can pull the car and watch it spin. Or you can connect it to a Lego car. Let the car pull the spinning ride. This pull toy is inspired by this Lego helicopter. I used the mechanism here. I will provide the Lego instruction link and I will show you how I built it. On top of it, we can add some colorful bricks. Or some chairs. Like a spinning ride. Or we can build some mini airplane. Now it's like taking a spinning ride in the amusement park.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!